Hello and welcome to another Wise Option eLearning. In today's video, we are going to be going over how to search by invoice number. So from the main screen, you're going to go to Reports. And we're going to go to this Reports for Invoices. This is a really good way in case someone writes you a check and they just put their invoice number. This can be a nice way to search for that. So up at the top right corner, you're going to go down here to Queries. You'll have some featured queries here up at the top that we give you by default, but you can always create your own as well. So for example, if I'd like to just do the last 30 days, I can click here. It's going to show me all my invoices from the last 30 days. I can come over here to this invoice number column, select the filter, and search by this. I'm going to click the Enter key, and it's going to filter the list here so that I can go ahead and see this invoice here. If I need to go to the customer account, very easy to do so. Just click on this customer's name here who was billed to. Of course, you may find that maybe this invoice wasn't done in the last 30 days and it was older. From that point, then, of course, you can go ahead and click on our query icon and make another query. So easy for me to say, maybe I want this to be last 6 months. I'll make it a favorite so it shows up in that drop-down list. Select it in my list, and then build the criteria. So I'll say date, invoice date, and then there's all these options here. So I can do year up to date, I can do last month, last quarter, last year. So there's a bunch of different dates here and options here as well. So for example, maybe I want this to be, say we said it was last 6 months. So I can do there should be an option here, last, and we'll do 6 months. All right, save and then search. And I'll have it here in my list and I can select it. Now it's going to load all my invoices for the last 6 months. And then again, I can just use this filter icon here and search for my appropriate invoice number. And again, all I'm doing when I'm using this, you can, if you'd like to clear the filter, I just click clear and start again. And I can go ahead and search for another number. And all I'm doing is just clicking the Enter key, and then it's filtering the list for me and only showing me these. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks so much.